Ever found yourself staring at that dreaded storage almost full message on your iPhone, wishing you could carry your entire digital life with you? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into how you can unlock the power of external hard drives right on your iPhone, effectively turning it into a portable file management powerhouse. First things first, you'll need the right gear for iPhones and iPads with Lightning ports. The key is an Apple Lightning to USB camera adapter or a similar certified USB adapter with a dedicated power port if you have an iPhone 15 or newer, which features a USB-C port. You're in luck. You might only need a simple USB-C to USB-A adapter or directly plugging your USB-C drive. Once your adapter is connected to your iPhone, it's time to plug in your external hard drive for drives that draw more power, like traditional spinning hard drives. You might need an adapter with an additional port to plug in your iPhone's charger simultaneously to ensure sufficient power delivery. Now, let's discover your files. Open the Files app on your iPhone. You should see your external drive listed under Locations or potentially as a connected USB device if it doesn't appear immediately. Try unplugging and reconnecting the drive and adapter, or double-check your power connection. From here, you can browse, view, copy, and even move files directly from your external hard drive to your iPhone storage, or vice versa. Want to offload those vacation photos? Easy. Need to access a large video file? No problem. You can also import specific files or entire folders to your iPhone for offline access within the Files app. This is fantastic for editing documents or reviewing large media files without draining your cellular data. While the built-in Files app is capable for more advanced management, including Wi-Fi transfer, cloud integration, and more robust file manipulation, consider third-party file management apps. Many offer excellent features for seamlessly working with external drives. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Not all drives may be compatible, especially those with complex formatting. Very large files might take time to transfer, and some specific file types might not be directly viewable without companion apps. Always ensure your drive is formatted in a compatible system like FAT32, exFAT, or APFS. By following these steps, you can significantly expand your iPhone storage, making it easier than ever to manage all your important files, wherever life takes you.